The best smart home devices allows you to automate your abode, so everything from dimming the lights, turning up the heating, or switching on electrical devices can happen without you having to leave the sofa. No matter what time of day, the best smart home devices ensure you can create the perfect ambiance with very little input. Let's take a look at some new gadgets and tech for house. SCHLAGE ENCODE Plus Smart Lock. You already buy your coffee with your Apple Watch and show your boarding pass on your iPhone. Now, with the SCHLAGE ENCODE Plus lock and Apple Home keys in your wallet app, you can unlock your door and more with the simple flick of the wrist. Enjoy smarter home access with trusted convenience and security. You don't have to choose anymore. With the SCHLAGE ENCODE Plus Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt, you get one of the latest locks compatible with Apple HomeKit and the SCHLAGE Home app at the same time. Schedule codes and monitor lock activity in real time with SCHLAGE Home. Unlock your door with your Apple Watch or lock it with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. That's ultimate control and access from anywhere, now with broader compatibility. ICON.AI Sound Mirror. A voice-activated acoustic mirror to help customers enjoy an epic sound experience. You can stream room-filling music wirelessly from your mobile devices by Bluetooth. Minimal and geometric shapes blend seamlessly into modern interior and architecture. The sound mirror expresses elegant simplicity and total harmony, both quintessential of unmistakable style, captured in any space. It offers appealing aesthetics, functionality, and a high degree of innovation. It features an artificial intelligence assistant, smart home capabilities, and combining a high-quality and impactful sound that turns any space into an immersive atmosphere, all hands-free by the voice-activated sound mirror. KOHLER H2Wise Home Water Sensor. Now you can see your water like never before. Powered by Fin, KOHLER H2Wise Plus protects your home from water damage by alerting you to leaks and allowing your water valve to be shut off remotely. H2Wise Plus can also automatically turn water off in the event of a leak, saving you potential cleanup and renovation costs. By monitoring your household water usage, the device can help your family conserve water. H2Wise Plus works with the KOHLER Connect app to continuously monitor water pressure and provide real-time alerts, giving you peace of mind when you're away. SENGLED Smart Home Monitoring Light Bulbs. SENGLED, the smart lighting expert, is a global leader in lighting. Since our first smart speaker bulb in 2012, SENGLED's innovative approach keeps us at the forefront of the industry, pioneering new lighting systems and technology that provide consumers with ease of use, versatility, and brilliance. Headquartered in Alpharetta, Georgia, SENGLED integrates consumer electronics with energy-saving LED lighting, creating products that expand smart home functionality to every room. Our practical lighting solutions using Zigbee, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth mesh connectivity can be voice or app controlled with Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and SmartThings. WOPET Automatic Pet Feeder. A smart pet feeder allows you to schedule and manage feeding times, portion size, and food supply for your pets. Smart pet feeders are controllable on your smartphones and computers, so you can still be able to feed your pets while you're away. Keep your pet excited about mealtime. Record a voice message to be played each time feeding dispenses. You can use the camera to take pictures of your pet. The pets don't know the camera is there, which is great for taking photos. You can power the feeder via power adapter come with the feeder. We recommend using the two together in case of power outages. Germ Guardian. Plug-in odor eaters aren't new. You've likely seen them in the household goods aisle of your local grocery store. But the innovative Germ Guardian doesn't merely fight odors. In fact, by leveraging the power of UVC light technology, the device also works to kill airborne germs, reducing or eliminating the ability of fungi, bacteria, and viruses to develop and proliferate throughout your home. How does it work? Don't worry, there's no assembly or setup required. Simply place the germ guard into any area of concern, the bathroom perhaps, or the nursery, and leave it to do the dirty work of sanitizing the air you breathe on a daily basis. Keen Home Smart Vent. Smart vents adjust airflow to overconditioned rooms and redirect the airflow to rooms that need it most. Temp sensors and the Smart Bridge allow the Keen Home smartphone app to set schedules, set specific room temperatures, and control compatible thermostats. Set a target room temperature in the Keen Home app. Your temp sensor reads the room's current temperature and humidity. Feel more comfortable in your home as the Smart Vent system redirects airflow between rooms to balance temperature. Keen Zoning uses individual room temperature control to enhance your comfort, control, and energy efficiency. iDevice Switch. Today, plenty of companies would be happy to help you spend thousands of dollars automating your home and everything in it. But if you're dubious of the whole smart home movement, here's an uncomplicated, affordable way to experiment with the possibilities. Simply plug the iDevice switch into the wall socket, then plug something else, your coffee maker for instance, into the switch. Now you can control your coffee maker remotely via smartphone using the iDevice Switch companion app. In effect, Switch enables you to remotely control or define a schedule for virtually anything that runs on electricity, be it a table lamp or an entertainment system. Taylor Precision Measuring Cup. With a digital measuring cup like this one, who needs both kitchen scale and space-stealing measuring cups? Measure by volume by filling the cup to the desired level, or employ the cup's scale functionality to measure by weight and convert cups to ounces, pounds, millimeters, or grams, allowing you to quickly measure to any recipe without stopping to do sums in your head. Rapid Beverage Cooler. The party's starting, but the drinks aren't cold yet. If you hate to make your guests wait, you'll love the convenience of a rapid beverage chiller. It can chill cans to refrigerator cold in 1 minute and bottles in 3.5 minutes. For ice-cold drinks, leave the cans and bottles in the device for double the time. Safe to use for wine or carbonated drinks, this chiller is a cinch to operate. Simply fill with ice and water, plug it in, and set the timer using the keypad. Voila! Drinks are ready to serve. POWERCUBE Electric Wall Adapter. Ideal for the workaholic, the tech-obsessed, or anyone simply in need of more outlets, the PowerCable Electric Wall Adapter is a super easy way to increase the number of USB ports and electrical outlets in any space. The versatile cube-shaped power strip can be customized to your needs and is available in a range of models that offer various numbers and types of ports. Need even more power? Double up on PowerCubes by stacking them side by side to create even more space to charge your favorite gadgets. BOSCH Laser Tape Measure. If you've ever used a conventional measuring tape to get the dimensions of a room or large piece of furniture, you know it's a two-person job. Not so with the BOSCH Laser Tape Measure. To get quick measurements with up to 1/6 of an inch accuracy, simply point and click the 130-foot tape. If you use this laser measure, you'll never need to convert measurements again, since the model switches between feet/inches, decimal feet, and metric with the press of a button.